What if I told you that you could build a fully functional professional web application without writing a single line of code? No templates, no drag and drop builders, just pure AI. Today, I'm showing you how to use Lovable to go from an idea to a published site in minutes. If you want to see how to launch your own SaaS or portfolio for free, stick around until the end. First, let's talk numbers. Lovable has a very generous free plan. You get enough daily credits to build a complex MVP. While the Pro plan removes the Built with Lovable badge and adds custom domains, the free tier lets you publish to a lovable.app URL, change your metadata, and even do visual edits. Let's sign up. I'm using the free tier today to show you just how much you can do for $0. Lovable is an AI-powered full-stack engineer that turns natural language descriptions into professional, production-ready web applications. Unlike basic website builders, Lovable generates real code, React, TypeScript, and Tailwind CSS, and can automatically set up backends like databases and authentication. Now most people just type "make a gym website" into the AI and the result is OK. To get a great result, we're using Gemini to write a master prompt. I've asked Gemini for a detailed breakdown, the tech stack, the UI components, and the specific features. Paste that prompt here and watch the magic happen. Lovable isn't just generating a layout, it's writing the React code and setting up the styling. Now, while Lovable is doing its thing, you'll notice it takes a minute or two. Don't refresh. What's happening right now is actually pretty incredible. Unlike a template builder that just swaps out text, Lovable is currently provisioning a real development environment. It's writing clean React code, setting up TypeScript for type safety, and styling every single element with Tailwind CSS. If we asked for a database, it's also communicating with Supabase in the background to structure your tables. Think of this as a junior developer writing hundreds of lines of code in real time. One of the best parts about this wait is that Lovable isn't just giving you a flat image. It's building a responsive application. That means while we wait, it's ensuring the site looks just as good on an iPhone as it does on a 4K monitor. Now you'll notice I'm not cutting the video here. I'm keeping the camera rolling while Lovable builds this in real time, and there's a specific reason for that: trust. A lot of tutorials you see online make AI look like instant magic with a jump cut, but then when you try it, you feel like you're doing something wrong because it takes a minute. I want you to see exactly how long this takes. From the moment I paste the prompt to the moment we have a live clickable website. By not skipping, I'm showing you that there's no secret coding happening off camera. I'm not fixing bugs in the background or dragging in pre-made templates. What you're seeing is the raw power of the AI actually thinking, architecting the database, and writing the React components from scratch. It takes about 60 to 90 seconds, which, if you think about it, is insane. A human developer, even a senior one, would take hours just to set up this environment and install the dependencies. We're doing it in the time it takes to explain why I'm not cutting the video. We're seeing the terminal finish up now, and there it is. Real time, no edits, and we have a functional app. If something isn't perfect, don't worry. You can just chat with the AI to add features, like a contact form or a login page, just by asking. Here's a pro tip: use the visual edit tool. Notice how I can just click on this headline or this button? I can change the text, swap out an icon, or even update an image directly in the preview. The best part? Visual edits don't cost you any AI credits. Most AI tools make you re-prompt the whole page just to change a hex code or a font size, which eats up your daily limit. In Lovable, you just click and tweak. It feels like using Canva or Squarespace, but you're actually editing live React code underneath. And just like that, the AI is done. Here is your live, production-ready URL to visit and share your new website with the world. Even on the free plan, you can update your page title, meta description, and favicon. This is crucial for Google to actually find your site. Final verdict? Lovable is a game changer for non-coders and founders. It's fast, the code is clean, and the free plan is actually usable. It's the closest thing to having a developer in your pocket. If you found this helpful, hit that like button and let me know in the comments what you're going to build. See you later, alligator.